House versus home. What's the difference? Hi everyone. Today, let's learn the difference between house and home. Many English learners think these words mean the same thing, but they don't. A house is a building. It is the physical place where people live. For example, they bought a new house. That house is very big. A home is the place where you feel comfortable, safe, and happy. It is not just a building, it is where your family, your memories, and your life are. For example, I'm going home. Welcome home. Home is my favorite place. Here's an easy way to remember the difference. A house is the building, a home is the feeling. Let's compare them. This is my house. You're talking about the building. This is my home. You're talking about the place where you belong. Now, listen one more time. House equals the building. Home equals the place where you feel at home. Now you know the difference. Which word was new for you, house or home? Leave a comment below and follow for more easy English lessons.